Hello pretty people. So today I am going to create this look. It's a rainbow eye, and I'm sorry the lighting isn't great. My ring light died in the middle, and then so it's a rainbow eye with a black smoky eye and then a deep black lip with a blue ombre. I'm going to call this look light or dark, or a choice between light and dark. Something along those lines. So it's just me being creative. The eye look isn't mine. It was found on Pinterest, and I wish I knew the artist, but I recreated it in a group I'm in, and it was a popular one, so I thought I'd do a tutorial of it. So if anybody finds the name of this artist, I would be forever thankful, because she did an amazing job. But yeah, I decided to team a funky lip with it. So let's see how this goes. If you want to see how this look is done, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with, I'm actually reverting back to the tape trick that I always used to do in all my videos. I haven't done this for a very long time for a video. But it works well, and the type of look we're doing, it's kind of required. Taking some of my favourite primer, this is the Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC. Then I'm going to take a sponge and some powder. Now this is a bit grubby. It's from Nature, and it's a loose powder in translucent. I'm just putting that above the crease just so that the blending's easier. So I am now going to take a blending brush, and I'm just going to build up the smokiness until we get to a nice black shade. So I'm taking, this is from the Morphe 35W, this is my go-to neutrals palette. As you can see which colours I like the best. I've noticed when I do my single eye photos, like creative ones, this is my favourite eye to work on. Going even deeper now. Going even further, mixing these two. And I'm taking this black. I kind of want to take on a more dense brush, but if I put on a more dense brush, it won't blend out as well. Okay, now I am going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to take some more primer. And I'm taking a white pencil. I was going to take my eyeliner from INGLOT, but I think I prefer the pencil. And I'm not blending that in because I need all the colour I can get. What I'm using for this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And it took me a long time to like this palette. Like I still don't love it, but it's still got some amazing colours in there. And you just have to work really, really hard with it because it's not as pigmented as it could be. So anyway, it starts in the corner with a yellow. So I'm going to choose this one. And then a green. Blue. Favorite colour. That with a mixture of this one next to it, so it looks like from the same sort of tone. A mixture of these two purple shades. This gorgeous pink colour. Okay, I'm now going to take the black from that palette. Got it? I am now going to take an eyeliner, a pencil liner. This is from Savvy. An eyeliner. This is my go-to. This is INGLOT's AMC eyeliner gel in 70. I take a pen tip eyeliner to finish it off, and this is from Sports Girl. This is the To The Point liquid eyeliner pen. Okay, so I've gone away and done my foundation and concealer because it's nothing special. It's pretty much the same the whole time. I'm actually going to run some white eyeliner underneath my eyes. So the video started with a ring light attached to my viewfinder. That went flat. This is from Luvo. That's the warm settings, the cool settings. And then, but I like to turn both on at the same time. It's pretty cool. So basically what we're doing here is we're doing the same colours on top, but opposite directions. So instead of pink here, we're going to go pink here and yellow out. So I'm hungry. Okay, so this lighting is like awful, but I'm taking one of my favourite mascaras, and this is the Essence False Lashes Mascara. Actually, I'm going to wipe this extra powder away. You don't do much with your foundation when you leave a spot there. I'm now going to take my highlighting palette from Sports Girl. This is the On The Glow palette. It's pretty worse for wear. Taking the pink from it. This is the shade Lush. Taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the INGLOT Sculpting Powder in 502. For a different technique than I usually do, I am going to take, I'm just going to use lipsticks as my blush shade, because I like it's more of a natural look. So I'm going to take, this is $69, $67, and 2. Then I'm going to grab a brush, a clean one of course, and blend really well. And then of course, because that looks ridiculous, I'm just going to, okay. I am now going to take, I'm now going to take some setting spray. This is from Sports Girl. Also, this is the All Day Spray. And then also I'm going to take that palette back, and I'm going to grab these two colours. And then I am going to put glue on my lashes. I just use, I just buy some lashes from eBay, like no brand in particular, because I buy them in bulk for clients, so. Okay. Waiting for that to dry tacky, not dry all the way, but to dry tacky. I am going to take a clean angled brush and the Illamasqua Precision Brow Gel in the shade Strike, which is my go-to. Okay, so I've gone away and I've put my lashes on off camera while I was busy putting together footage to my camera. So anyway, I am going to take the eyeliner that I've used just before. I'm going to spray it down. I'm going to use a lip liner because I'm going to have black lipstick for this. Okay, so the lipstick I'm going to be using, this is from INGLOT. This is shade 437. And basically I'm focusing on the corners. And then I am going to take this is shade 297. Me and this one, Blue Glitter Man, we have a history. This is 313 from INGLOT. While I am at it with this ombre stuff, this is 114. This is from the Stardust collection. And that, pretty people, is my finished, I'm going to call it light and dark, or light or dark. So it's rainbow, like pretty rainbow eyes and dark lip depth. I'm not sure where I went when I created a lip look. I wasn't so sure where I was going with that. But yeah, anyway. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and stay classy, kids.